This is a Mi Portable Electric Air Compressor, which is a convenient electric pump. It has digital pressure sensing, stops at set PSI, built-in lithium battery, and more. So, let's go! What's up, Xiaomi fans? Christian here, and welcome again to All About Me, where I talk about Xiaomi products. Today we are going to talk about the Mi Portable Electric Air Compressor. As you can see, it is really portable. You can see the size of it, and there's a weight, but it's not heavy. And this has a built-in battery, which you can just recharge, and also it's powerful. You can up to 150 PSI. So we're gonna explore how good this is, its specs, functions, and I'll show you how to use this product and see if maybe it'll be useful to you. Okay, but before we do, let's give a shout out to our Mi fans out there. Let's start with Dan Cloudy. We have Mulo Zuzer from Malaysia, Adi Duyoyin, and also a shout out to Jamex from Italy. A shout out to Cha Thua from Sri Lanka. A shout out to Mark Alfred. A shout out to Waltham Sahil. A shout out to Herbie Bernard from Santa Lucia, all the way from the Caribbean. And a shout out to Ace Vessi from Estonia. A shout out to Maski Kobe. A shout out to Wardo Yani from the Philippines. A shout out to Liu Har Kolar. A shout out to Kilgoryu from Bulgaria. And a shout out to Anna Proza from Algeria. Also a shout out to Leo Mox from Tamil Nadu. And to all the Mi fans out there, if you want me to give you a shout on my next video, you can leave a comment below. And without further delay, let me show you what's good about this Mi Portable Electric Air Compressor. Inside the box, you'll get the air compressor, we have the air needle, we have the French style adapter, we also have the charging cable to micro USB plus the user manual, and also comes with a storage bag. So all this you'll get inside the box. And before we proceed to the specs, let me thank Banggood for sending this product. If you want to buy this, I have links on the description below. So the Mi Portable Electric Compressor specs, its weight is 0.43 kilograms. Its air pressure range between 3 to 150 psi. Its battery capacity is 2000 milliamperes, and it gets noisy with 80 or less than 80 decibel at 1 meter. Charging is 5 volts 2 amperes, and its operating temperature is between -10 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Celsius. So charging time total is less than 3 hours. Alright, let me show you how to use this. So in the front there's that display and the buttons there. You have about 5 buttons, and the side there's something like a ventilation, and the top, that's where you can see the air hose. Okay, so to switch it on, you just have to press and hold the middle button, and you will see the display. And the one on the right hand side is for you to shift modes. That is if you want to switch from a bicycle to scooter, car. It's already preset. It's either you can switch it to PSI or bar, whichever you're familiar. It depends on the country you're using it. And the plus and minus, that is if you want to manually set the PSI level. And the one on the other side is actually for the LED light to switch it on, switch it off, which is quite useful, especially if you're stuck in a dark place. At least you have the LED light. Yeah, so we can try the plus and minus just to set. If you want to change from bar to PSI, you just have to press and hold the right hand side button. So yeah, switching it on. It's a little bit noisy, so just press the middle button to switch on and switch off the compressor. And if you want to switch it off, just press and hold it. Let me show you now how to use the compressor, the air compressor. So just remove the tip. You have to attach adapter if it doesn't fit your tire. So for this, guys, you have to use the adapter. So just screw it at the tip of the hose, and you can just secure the hose because there's a, you can just screw it on your tire to secure it. And once you plug it in, it will tell you what's the current pressure of your tire, and the light indicator there, that means you have enough battery to power it. So make sure you switch it to the correct setting. This is for bicycle, which is 45 psi, and we're good to go. So basically you just have to press on the middle button. As you can see, the pressure and the tire is rising, the pressure is going up, and once it hits our set pressure, it will automatically cut off. Okay, so it's a bit loud. It's less than 80 decibel, up to 80 decibel when you're about 1 meter from the compressor itself, but if you're closer, it is actually a bit loud. Okay, so you just have to wait for it. For you to fill up the tire, the bicycle tire, will take around 3 minutes. But I don't think for this case, I don't think it will reach that or take that long. Okay, we're almost there. You can just stop this anytime. You just have to press on the middle button if the tire pressure is okay for you. Okay, but we're just gonna wait for it to automatically cut off for this case. Yep, almost there. That didn't take very long. That's quite, yeah, there you go. So we have 45 psi for this bicycle tire. And this portable compressor can fill up 6 motorbike tires, 5 car tires, 8 road bike tires, and 41 football. And these are the durability tests done by Xiaomi for this product. And if you're interested in buying this is the price for this product. You can click on the link in the description below, and I would like to thank Banggood for sending this product over. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys got something out of it, and thank you for watching. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe if you haven't already, and also let me know what you think about this Mi Portable Electric Air Compressor. You can leave a comment below. If you want to purchase this, I have links on the description, and until next time.